Hello and welcome to CKE 10,001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Zoids Wild Blast Unleash for the Nintendo Switch. Here we have the front of the game box for the Nintendo Switch. Zoids, published by OG Outright Games, rated E for everyone 10+. So that's the front cover art. Then we have the side. The back of the box. Take a close-up of there. Are Zoids your weapons or your partners? Head-to-head battles. Use your Wild Blast special attack. So there's the back of the box. At the bottom we have the Y folds on the left, on the right, and on top we also have Y folds. A little hard to see, but it's there. And there. Alright, now we'll remove the shrink wrap to see what's inside. So let's remove the plastic here. There we go. Okay, now we'll open up the box. So, nothing in the box except for the game cartridge. So let's take a close-up at that. There's the Switch game cartridge. If we pop that open, you can see the other side. There it is. Now let's put that back. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.